Have you been searching for a perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? Take a look at this 2019 Ford Fusion Hybrid, titanium in shadow black, with fully automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, distance pacing cruise control, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 34,000 miles on the odometer, Sync 3 communication and entertainment system, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, a power sunroof, a 2-liter 4-cylinder hybrid engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 1044A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.